My name is Karina from Math Mentors, and today I'm going to be helping you with finding the equation of a graph. Now, finding the equation of a graph is mostly used in Algebra 1, so it's good to know this if you're taking Algebra 1 or if you're just trying to relearn this. Now, I used to think finding the equation of a graph was impossible because how could you find the equation of dots? Well, you can. There is a formula for finding the equation of a graph, and it is called the slope-interest formula. Now, the slope-interest formula is y equals mx plus b, and I'll be telling you what each of these stand for. So, for the y and the x, they do not change. They remain as variables and they stay the same. So v will represent the variables. However, m and b do change. M will change the slope of the graph, and b will change to the y-intercept of the graph. That's what they stand for, in case you were confused. So let's look at this graph here. Let's first find the slope. So what is the slope of this graph? Well, we know slope is rise over run. So how much does this point right here rise up to this point? Well, let's count. 1, 2. It rises up 2, and it goes over 2. So the rise over run, or the slope, would be 2 over 2, which can simplify to 1. Now let's look for the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is always going to be touching the y-axis. And in this case, our y-intercept is at 0, 0. But you don't have to write it in coordinates, you can simply just say 0. So now that we have that information, we can now fill in this formula and find the equation of this graph. So the equation of this graph would be y equals 1x plus 0. And this would be the equation of our graph. Thank you for watching this. I hope this helped you finding the equation of a graph. If you'd like to connect more with math mentors like myself, please go to mathmentors.us. Thank you.